to Bangalore Culinary Academy, an award-winning school to learn culinary and pastry art. The Academy offers state-of-the-art facilities with international standard equipment to simulate the hotel experience. From learning the basic skills to advanced cooking methods, whether it's theory or practicals. We focus on each student's growth and foster them to reach new heights every day. Our curriculum is designed to cover technical skills along with conventional techniques and advanced recipes across cuisines, introducing you to the flavors of the world. Our Patisserie program offers a wide array of pastry, confectionery and baking skills covering products right from cookies to wedding cakes. Our advanced teaching methods provide students a realistic understanding of the hospitality world, making them industry ready. At the Academy, our students are groomed for exciting internships and job opportunities at some of the best hotel chains and food businesses. With a 100% hands-on approach, students are trained for suitable career opportunities at star hotels and leading food establishments. From training to be chefs to chef entrepreneurs, our programs cover it all. A facility with trained chefs at the helm, equipped to understand the needs of the industry. We are Bangalore Culinary Academy, and we welcome you to experience world-class culinary education in Bangalore.